Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this video, a little short one for you, just how to clean up your inner hubs in terms of marks left over from old weights and stuff like that before you take them in to get them rebalanced. Okay, here's the offending article. So I haven't done anything with this one yet, so I've got weights here, I've got weights missing there, some old ones, they've either come off. These are the actual insides of my new wheels, so I am taking them in tomorrow to get the rears tyre changed and get them rebalanced. So I'm going to show you my way of removing all this gunk, and I'm going to take all the old weights off anyway. It's particularly cold again today, so it makes it a little bit harder. So I will be using my trusty heat gun and some of this stuff which helps remove all that adhesive and stuff like that. What I'll do, once I get them warmed up, I shall warm them all up first, then I shall use a plastic scraper to remove the worst of it, and then basically I will cover it, soak it in a little bit of Goo Gone, leave it for about 10-15 minutes, and then gently start to scrape away. It's not a tricky job. It takes about half an hour, I suppose, in terms of waiting time as well, and it will leave you with a nice clean rim ready to get those new weights put on it. So let's get started. sticky gunky weights removed, what I've now done is just put a final little layer of the Goo Gone solution over it, because I can still make out a couple of shadows where the weights were. You might be able to see them, you might not, but everything else has gone, and the tar has gone as well. That's obviously come off of the road. So I'm going to leave that for 5 minutes, and then I'll give them a final rub down and then a final treatment. They're ready to go in. You may also notice that I used a metal foil. These are very good if you use the right ones. They're very, very fine, very, very flexible, and they won't hurt the paintwork or your lacquer. I had a lovely plastic scraper, but unfortunately one of the worst things with the plastic ones is that it's very hard to use them with the heat at the same time, because they just go all soft and squidgy. But I had a good one, I put it down somewhere and I can't find it. So let's give that 5 minutes and then we'll give it a final clean up. Tea time. Okay, all in all, pretty much done. All that remains to be done is to wipe off any residue left over from the Goo Gone. Now, I will clean the wheels up once I get them back from the tyre shop, because they're going to get finger marks and handled, etc. And then just go round the inner drum with some rubbing alcohol, just to make sure you're leaving them with a nice surface. But see the dirt that's come off of that just with the rubbing alcohol. Phenomenal stuff. But yeah, do it a couple of times. Chat amongst yourselves for a minute. Your tyre shop will love you for cleaning them up like that, and also you stand a better chance of your weight staying on, because they do it in the tyre shops, but you don't know, some are better than others. I'm using my favourite tyre shop. Been using them for years, long before the channel came about, and that's Jet Tyres, Wheels Tyre Centre, and they are based in Manor Trading Estate and Benfleet. They've also got a place in Pitsea, I think one in Basildon, but Benfleet is my favourite. It's where I just like the place. Very professional outfit, so we'll be going down there tomorrow with these to get the tyres swapped over, just get them rebalanced. Done. All in all, a good half hour's work, maybe a bit longer. Don't do it if you're watching the clock. You need plenty of time. Like I say, if you can get the sticky stuff warm, it'll help you get it off a lot easier, and allow time for the Goo Gone to soak into what's left to get it off. Otherwise you'll just make the job twice as bad. This here, that mark you can see there, is a bit of lacquer damage, so I can't do anything about that, but I'm pleased with those. There's, you know, they're not brand new wheels anyway. There's a few scratches in there, but yeah, plastic scrapers are good, but the metal one does a pretty good job as well. Like I say, it's a proper foil scraper. Doesn't seem to hurt the paintwork or the lacquer. So, but the plastic one I had was great, and I just can't find it anywhere. But the only problem with the plastic ones is obviously when you're using a heat gun, they get a bit hot and a bit flexible, and they just go all out of shape. So that's it for wheel cleaning. Hope you've enjoyed that little video. I shall be going to the tyre shop tomorrow, so the new video will be coming up soon over the next week or so, because there's a bit of a queue now, because I'm putting out one every Thursday at 10 AM for the next for the month of February. So I can't wait to get the wheels on, and that will be a milestone, and that will also allow me to reveal my final exterior mod, which is coming up over the next month or so, and then it'll be time to get the car on the road for the summer. And I tell you what, I can't wait. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep your wheels clean and tidy. Take care. Bye for now.